How to add Instagram account on Facebook bio. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to get your Instagram username, whether by copying it or by memorizing it. And once you do that, you need to go back to your Facebook profile page. And once you're here, there's something I want to say. I don't recommend that you add your Facebook account to your bio because I'll show you why. If I click edit public details and I add this this Instagram account to the bio, you will see that it will be added as text, meaning that it will appear, but it's not a clickable text. However, a better place to add this is click on edit public details again and scroll all the way down to links. Click on add, and from social links, click on add social link, then select the platform to be Instagram and paste your username or type it here in this field. And once you do that, you can see that Facebook has recognized this as an Instagram account. Click on save and then go back, and what you can see here in your info section is that Facebook has added your Instagram account right here, from which when people click on it, it will redirect them to your Instagram account, meaning that it's clickable link, unlike the text that we have added in the bio. So this is a much better place to add your Instagram account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add your Instagram account link to your Facebook profile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.